Mackerel Miso Stew. Here are the ingredients for 2 servings. 2 mackerel fillet. Make a slit on the mackerel to avoid the skin peeling off and more a well done result. Boil water in a pot. Remove from heat until it lowers to about 90 degrees Celsius and add the mackerel. Once the surface color changes, take them out. For cloves of ginger. Peel the ginger and cut in 2 mm round shapes. Green onion. Cut the onion in 5 cm length. Make slit to the center along the fiber and remove the core. Chop it thin along the fiber. Leave in water for 10 minutes. Drain. In a pan or pot where you can lay out the mackerel, mix all of the A ingredients: water, sake, sugar, ginger, add ginger and heat on medium heat. Once it starts boiling, add the mackerel with the skin facing up. Remove foam. Turn up the heat and take out 1 ladle full of the soup. Mix in a bowl with miso. Dissolve well, add in the pan, and heat on medium heat. Let it boil and simmer on low heat. Raise to medium heat once again, and once it starts boiling, place a lid directly on top and lower the heat. Simmer for about 10 minutes, remove the lid and heat for another 5 minutes. Remove from heat once the soup is thick. Serve, pour sauce, and top with green onions. Enjoy. Mackerel Miso Stew. Again, here are the ingredients for 2 servings.